What's going on? It's been a minute. Still alive. Doing a little bit better. Still struggling with issues. I did go to the doctor. Had severely low potassium. So I've been on potassium, prescription potassium pills, and that's helped a little bit, but still not feeling great. But I wanted to not let this thing rot, so I'm gonna put it back together. So I'm really not sure what's gonna happen with this. If I'm not feeling well in like the next couple months, I might end up getting rid of it just because I really can't drive a manual car in my current state. I don't know, it's super frustrating and I don't want to do it, but if I can't use the car, it just doesn't make sense. But I wanted to just keep making videos, get the car put together and finished. I'm still chasing the alternator not charging issue along with my cluster not working, but I'm just gonna put it all together and let's do a little walk around here. So I don't think I've showed you guys this. So I got all the suspension components on, ISR tension rod, the Moog control arm, GK Tech sway links, and then the ISR tie rod, and then the steel braided lines, brake lines. That's on. I've got the rears on as well. And the calipers on. So the rear is pretty much good to go. I just need to crank this down and put the lock nut and the cotter pin back in, and that'll be good to go. But today I'm gonna work on putting this all back together. If you remember, I already had it together, but I was chasing the wiring issue, so I pulled it back apart. So this is what I'm gonna work on today, get the interior back together. And I'll show you how it looks afterward. Probably take me 30, 45 minutes, depending on how slow I am. But yeah, I'm stoked I can at least walk around and make a video and get working on this some more. But future things to look forward to, even if I do end up having to get rid of this, I may be getting a Macan, Porsche Macan, and we're gonna get rid of the Lexus probably, and get a Macan, because I was thinking about selling the Tacoma and getting an old G-Wagon that I could build and have lifted and all that stuff, because the G-Wagon is honestly my dream build. But I was thinking about the pricing, because it's still like 30 grand to get a decent one, a decent like 04. And a Macan, it's like 35 grand for a 2017, and those are dope. So yeah, I'll take you along. I'm probably gonna do some test drives. I'll test drive a G-Wagon and a Macan, and we'll cross that bridge when we get here. I know the video's kind of all over the place, but I haven't even touched either of these cars for a long while. I think my last video was a month ago, and even before that, I wasn't messing with them. So I have been driving that. I love driving it. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys kind of an update on what's going on with me and the cars. Best case scenario, I keep this, which I'm feeling better day by day. It's just really slow. When I made my last video, I would probably put my percentage, like health feeling wise, at like 40%, 30%. I'd say I'm at like 50%, 60%, depending on the day. So yeah, definitely been struggling, but I don't want to waste the time I do have just laying in bed all day and feeling sorry for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking away and I'll update you guys in a bit. Okay, about an hour later, this is where we're at. Got it pretty much wrapped up. Still need to clean it, but I'm pretty much out of energy at this point, so I'm gonna go lay down, see if I can recoup some of that, and then I'll come back out here and clean up the carpet and stuff. But I had to put a screw right here because all of the panel holes were stripped out, so except for this one. So I got that one, screw over here, and then this one. It's solid, it ain't going nowhere. So yeah, I'm glad it's not all taken apart anymore. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like now. Trying to think what else. Let's go to the passenger side really quick. I'm not sure where I'm gonna mount the ECU yet, but I have the bulky part of the harness kind of crammed up there, zip tied. So yeah, still love this knob, man. Yeah. I need to do the headliner. That's like the last part of the interior that looks like shit. And the e-brake leather piece. But yeah, ooh, and I need to clean that with some Goo Gone, but it's not too bad, right? Ooh, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but I have some leather S14, black leather S14 seats on the way. Not sure when they're gonna get here. They were gonna be shipped via Greyhound from Georgia, I think. So because of the COVID and the bus schedules and shit, it's just taking forever to get a shipping date. But yeah, super stoked that I'll have black leather in here. So yeah, I think that's it for now. Still haven't touched anything in the engine bay. Next thing to tackle will be tightening everything up, because all this stuff is on but it's not tightened down. So I'm going to tighten all that stuff down, and then I will put the front calipers on, the new front calipers. And then I will bleed the brake system, because this is new as well. If you remember, my other one was melted from the turbo that was sitting right here. So I got a new brake cylinder. So after that, we can put the wheels, tires back on and set this thing on the freaking ground finally. Take it out for a rip. I'll make sure the battery's charged, because even if the alternator's not charging it, we can still take it a rip, take it for a rip around the streets with just battery power, see how it does. Super stoked about that. I also don't know if I showed you this in previous videos because it's been so long, but I got this new 3-inch ISR O2 housing because the one here is all stripped out. The fitment just wasn't right, and it's the stock one, so oh shit, hold on. So that'll look way better in there. It'll kind of complete the bay look. But yeah, we'll do this at some point. This isn't as important to me. It just leaks super bad, but I don't really give a shit. Those welds are kind of fucked. Oh well. It's not too bad on the outside. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. If I keep getting better slowly, or even if I don't, if I just stay the same, I'll be able to make more videos. But like I said, look forward to the Macan test drive, the G-Wagon test drive, and then we'll figure out which one of those we want to get to replace the Tacoma. I also might keep the Tacoma. Not really sure yet. Depends where my money's at towards the end of the year. Yeah, but we'll see. That's for our next video, but appreciate you guys bearing with me. I know the videos have slowed down a lot, but like I said, I've been struggling. Holy shit, hold on. Look at that. Do you see this beetle? Look at how big that is. What the hell kind of beetle is that? That is so random. Okay, well, we're gonna end on that creepy note. I don't know if he's still alive. If he is, I'll try to help him. No, I'm pretty sure he's dead, though. He's like covered in spider webs. Poor guy. But yeah, we'll end the video there. Hope you're doing well. Hope you guys are healthy. Let me know what you want to see on the channel, and I will do my best to make it happen. But yeah, stay tuned. We still got good shit coming. All right, later.